Part 6. Modifying high-low liquid levels for switch 2, and corresponding 4 to 20 mA values. In my hand is a 4 to 20 mA sensor. And here is an ammeter. The value displayed on the ammeter is the output current of the 4 to 20 mA sensor. Now, let's read the current high and low liquid level values. First, send the command 0103-0001. The value we read now is 0140. We want to set the low level to 100 millimeters and the high level to 200 millimeters. So the value we just read is the low level. I need to change the low level to 100 millimeters. For 100 millimeters, 100 multiplied by 10 equals 1000. Convert 1000 to a hexadecimal number, which is 0 by 03E8. So I need to write 0 by 03E8 into the 0005 register. To do this, send the command 0106005038. Click Send. Now, 03E8 has been written into the 0005 register, which means the low liquid level of switch 2 has been changed to 100 millimeters. Additionally, the low liquid level of switch 2 corresponds to the low end of the 4 to 20 mA range, specifically, the liquid level that matches 4 milliamperes. In other words, I have set the liquid level corresponding to 4 milliamperes to 100 millimeters. Next, let's modify the high liquid level. First, read the current high level by sending the command 010300060001. Click Send. The high level value we read is 1388. 1388 translates to 5000. And 5000 equals 500 millimeters. Now we need to change 500 millimeters to 200 millimeters. We need to send the corresponding command. The command to send is 0106 0607 do. (200 millimeters multiplied by 10 equals 2000. Convert 2000 to a hexadecimal number, which is 07do. We write 07do into the 0006 register. Click Send. Alright, we've received a response now. Getting a response means the modification was successful. Now let's raise the liquid level. As the liquid level goes up, the current value changes. The current has finished rising now, reaching 20 milliamperes. Now let's pump out the water to lower the liquid level and observe how the current changes. The current is dropping. Okay. When the liquid level is only 10 centimeters, that's 100 millimeters, the 4 to 20 mA current has dropped to 4 milliamperes. When the liquid level rises to 200 millimeters, The ammeter reading has gone up to 20 milliamperes. This chapter ends here. We understand your needs.